Hi guys, it's Miss Bryant here, and we are going to talk about the standard RL.3.7, which is I can explain how specific aspects of a text illustration contribute to what is conveyed by words in a story. For example, create the mood, emphasize aspects of a character or a setting. Now, Miss Donaldson might have talked to you yesterday about the mood, but I just want to kind of review over what she went over and talk about the standard for a second. So I can explain. So explaining is describing and telling me why, not just using one or two words, and that's what we're going to practice today using a graphic organizer. How specific aspects of a text illustration, so we're using just parts. Aspects is parts of a text illustration, and that is a picture or a drawing in a story. So we're going to explain how parts of the picture contribute, okay? And the word contribute means helps out to what is conveyed by words in the story. So we're using the picture to help us talk about what is told in the story by the words. And this can create mood, emphasize aspects of a character or setting. We really know what the character and setting means, but just as a reminder, what does that word mood mean? So if we look at the mood, it can be positive or negative, and it's what you use for the text and illustration. It kind of creates a feeling. So some positive moods are joyful, cheerful, excited. We have some negative moods, which are gloomy, angry, and embarrassed. And one day when, this is an example that they give, one day when my best friend and I play outside, I will have a positive mood. You're going to be happy. The feeling is going to be very joyful. So as we read today in our story, we're going to be filling out this chart here. And we're going to be looking at the illustration, the setting, the characters, and the mood. So I want us to be thinking about those three things as we read today. Okay, where does the story take place? What is the character doing and how are they feeling? And what feelings are created from the text and picture at the end? Don't mind this page 3 thing. That's just from something else. So as we read today, think about those three things and we will come back and fill in our chart after.